Okay, this is Unit 4 Summative Answers. This is questions 6 through 8 where we looked at equations. Mr. Preeby found out that on a recent trip his car used 12 gallons of gasoline to drive 396 miles. Assume that M represents the number of miles driven and G represents the number of gallons used. Which equation represents the proportional relationship? So if we look at this equation, my equation says miles is equal to something times gallons. Or gallons times something is going to equal my miles. This goes back to our Unit 2 work with constant proportionality. Gallons times something is equal to miles, or gallons times something is equal to miles. So we know that he uses 12 gallons to drive 396 miles. So what's my constant proportionality? Or I can think about in 1 gallon he's going to drive how many miles? So 12 divided by 12 is 1. 396 divided by 12 gives me 33. So my constant is 33. So gallons times 33 will tell me how many miles he's going, and therefore my correct answer is C. Elias sells his homegrown tomatoes at a local farmer's market. His booth has the following table that shows shoppers how much different amounts of tomatoes cost. Which equation represents the relationship between cost and tomatoes? So for a certain amount of tomatoes, I need to pay a certain cost. What is my proportional relationship here? Now there's a few ways I can solve it. One, I could just divide my cost by my tomatoes. Another little trick you can do is find out how much it is per one. If tomatoes is a half, then the cost is 1.2. So my constant proportionality for all of these is 1.2. So my equation is going to be this one. The number of tomatoes I buy times 1.2 tells me my cost. All right, last one. Claire has a recipe for yellow cake. She uses 9 1/3 cups of flour to make 4 cakes. Noah will follow the same recipe. He will make C cakes using F cups of flour. Which of these equations represents the relationship? So my equations are all set up the same. Cake is equal to something times flour. Or flour times a number is going to give me the number of cakes. So I'm going to set up a table again. Flour and cake. Now I set up the table like this on purpose because I'm looking for what's my constant proportionality. Flour times something gives me cake. Now what do I know? My flour is 9 1/3 cups for 4 cakes. I'm going to rewrite this as an improper fraction. 9 times 3 plus 1. 9 times 3 is 27. 28 thirds for 4 cakes. Okay, so what's my goal is to find per one. Because I want to know 1 times something equals what? Now how do I go from 28 thirds to 1? I always just multiply by the reciprocal, by 3 28ths. So 4 times 3 28ths will give me this solution. I'll do that up here. 4 over 1 times 3 over 28 is equal to 12 28ths. Now I need to simplify. 4 goes into both of these numbers. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So my constant is 3/7. All of these are multiplied by 3/7. Therefore my equation flour times 3/7 equals my cake. So the answer is C.